To prepare mug pizza, in a mug we'll take 1/4 cup of whole wheat flour or atta. Into this we'll add a pinch of baking soda, 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt along with 1 tablespoon of oil. Into this then we'll add 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk in it and we'll mix everything well. This is basically the pizza base which we are preparing using atta or the whole wheat flour. We'll top it up with ready pizza sauce. Here it goes. And then we'll sprinkle generous amount of cheese. Here I'm using Amul mozzarella cheese. So you can use any pizza cheese of your choice. And here goes few toppings. I'm adding corns, chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, and you can even add chopped capsicum. Any toppings which you want to add to your pizza. And then we'll sprinkle little salt on top of it and little black pepper powder along with some herbs. You can add any Italian seasoning, and then goes more amount of cheese into it because we want a cheesy pizza. Finally, we'll sprinkle some oregano or any other Italian seasoning, and our pizza is ready to go in microwave. So now we'll microwave the pizza at full power mode for 1 minute until the pizza becomes completely ready and cheese melts completely. And our pizza is ready. Just have a closer look at it. Our instant quick microwave pizza is ready to serve. Whenever you want to have pizza, you can simply make this just 2 minute simple pizza in a mug and enjoy it. Firstly, we'll take a microwave safe bowl. Into this we'll add half cup of macaroni. Here goes 3/4 cup of water in it and few drops of oil. You can use any vegetable oil. Then we need to microwave macaroni. So we'll keep it in microwave at full power and microwave it for 4 minutes, but do not microwave it at one go. Just microwave it at an interval of 1 minute. So keep the macaroni in microwave for 1 minute, then take it out, mix it one more time and then keep it back for another minute. So like this, we'll cook the macaroni until it is done completely. You can even cover the macaroni cup with a lid. And here you can see our macaroni is ready. It has cooked perfectly well. Into this now we'll add milk. So there goes 2 tablespoons of milk in it. And then we'll add 1/4 teaspoon of corn flour. Mix it well. After cooking macaroni, if there is little water, then you can drain out that excess water from it. And then we'll add pasta sauce. This is the ready pasta sauce I am using here. You can even use homemade pasta sauce. And into this we'll add a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper and a pinch of herbs. So here I'm using oregano. Mix everything well. And there goes mozzarella cheese. You can add the desired quantity of cheese in it. Mix it one more time. And now we need to microwave it at full power for another minute or so. And friends, our mug pasta is ready to serve. It's quick and simple and will simply take 5 minutes to prepare this yummy delicious mug pasta recipe. To prepare eggless mug cake in a microwave safe cup, we'll add 1/4 cup of whole wheat flour or atta. Into this we'll add 1/4 cup of chocolate spread. If you do not have chocolate spread, then you can even use Nutella. And into this we'll add 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk in it. Milk should be at room temperature, neither too hot nor the cold. And we need to combine everything together, mix it well. This is the batter which we are preparing for our cake. And here you can see the consistency is little thick, so we'll add 1 more tablespoon of milk in it to prepare smooth cake batter. Mix it well, and then goes 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and mix it for one more time. You can even add chocolate chips or cocoa powder to make it more chocolatey and more flavorful. So this is a cake batter ready. Now we need to microwave it at full power for 1 to 2 minutes until the cake is completely done. And our mug cake is ready. Just look at this. Perfect, nice chocolatey cake. It's looking so attractive. To make it more chocolatey, you can even add more chocolate spread on top of it, or you can serve this mug cake with vanilla ice cream. It tastes absolutely amazing. This is very soft and very quick to make. So do give it a try.